In this video, we're going to talk about how to find a campaign manager. If you are in the market for one, you need to watch this video all the way through because step by step, I'm going to tell you how to do it. Grab a pen. In this video, we're going to talk about the kind of campaign manager you want, where you find them, and how to make sure you hire one that is a perfect fit for you. So item number one is craft the job description for the kind of campaign manager you want. Now, typically, these are 5 tasks that all campaign managers are involved with. Message discipline, targeting, overseeing the advertising effort, supervising staff, crafting a campaign budget, and drafting a fundraising plan so that the campaign does not run out of money. You may have other tasks that you want your campaign manager to do, but these are typically all things that campaign managers get involved with. So write your job description first. Let's talk about where you find one. Quite often, candidates find campaign managers by promoting from within. Perhaps they have someone helping them with a certain task and they decide that that person has the talent and the skills to oversee the entire operation. I have seen that happen hundreds of times. The candidate sits back, he looks at the kind of task the staff are performing, and they decide to promote from within. Another way that candidates find managers is they talk to the people in their jurisdiction who have run for office before. They talk to candidates who hold public office, they talk to candidates who've run before, and they ask them about talent that they had in their political campaign who might make good manager material. Third way they find it is they sometimes talk with party leaders who quite often have lots of contacts with political campaigns in their area, who know candidates, who have seen well-managed campaigns, and interacted with people who've served in managerial roles in the past in their jurisdiction. There are 2 organizations that have job boards that help candidates find managers. One is the American Association of Political Consultants. Another is Campaigns and Elections. I have seen countless marriages made on those job boards between candidates and people looking for work in political campaigns. Those are several places to look when you are in the market for a campaign manager. The next step in this process, once you've narrowed it down to a field of 3 or 4 people, is to conduct a formal interview. And I always suggest that these interviews be done in person. Assess their interpersonal skills. Assess their ability to handle a crisis. Assess their ability to take direction from you when you care to give it to them. And perhaps most important, make sure you have chemistry with the person that you are about to hire. Because here's what inevitably happens during the course of a political campaign. A crisis will happen, and you may not be able to think clearly in the crisis because you're out campaigning 18 hours a day and you're tired, you're worn out. You need a manager who now has your political career in their hands, who can think clearly, give good direction, make difficult decisions with your welfare at stake and nothing else. That chemistry is the key to your relationship and your confidence in the manager to make decisions on your behalf. Point number 4, are you a candidate? Is that why you're watching this video? Let me tell you something that's really important about your campaign. You're the candidate. You have to be the star. Only you can give the speeches. Only you can participate in the debates. Only you can do the podcast interviews. Only you can talk to that camera for videos that go on your Facebook and your Instagram account. Doing this well is a full-time job. You cannot be a great candidate and a campaign manager at the same time. So hire someone with whom you have chemistry, that you are willing to entrust with the nuts and bolts of the campaign, and free you up to be the great candidate you are capable of being, well-informed, well-rested, always looking your best and at the top of your game. A good campaign manager makes it possible for you to do that. Let me mention in passing, if you're a candidate for office, I have a free ebook available to you. It's in a link below this video, 12 Essential Steps to Preparing for a Political Campaign. Grab it when you're done watching this video. Now, if by chance you are a candidate and you're looking for additional information on how to be a great one, in the link below this video is another video called How to Run for Public Office, 7 Essential Steps. Grab a pencil, go watch that, and take some notes.